we are going to run through this story problem as an extra example. Bob takes out a car loan of $12,000 for 60 months. He makes a graph to model the loan over that time. Ooh, this is so true for a real life example. You might have to take out a car loan in the future. Okay, I'm still paying on my car loan that I took out right before I first started teaching here. So what I would like you to do is pause the video and I want you to try your best to go ahead and answer these 4 questions, please. So number 1 says, what is the y-intercept? Interpret the meaning. So the y-intercept is where our graph crosses our y-axis. So it's 0, comma, what's our starting amount? It's right here. It's this 12,000. Interpret the meaning. That's the starting amount of the car loan. That's the cost of the car. Number 2, what is the slope and interpret the meaning? So remember, to find the slope, we're going to count the rise over run. Rise over run. Well, I know that this line is decreasing or declining, so my slope is going to be negative. And I'm going down 1 box, but what is each box worth? Each box is worth 1,000. Right? My scale here is 1,000. We're going up by 1,000 every time. And I'm going over 1 box, but what is each box worth? 5. My scale on my x-axis is 5. So go ahead and divide these 2 things. What do we get? We get negative 200. So let's interpret the meaning of this. Okay, if this is my cost, this is my amount of money, this is my time, or this is my months. So what does negative 200 mean? He's paying $200 per month. And you can write that out. I'm writing with my mouse, so it's a little bit messy. $200 per month. So let's write the equation. Y equals negative 200. That's my slope from question 2. Don't forget the x. Plus, what's my beginning point, my starting point, my y-intercept? The total amount of the loan, 12,000. How long does it take Bob to pay off his car? This would be your x-intercept. So 60 months. How did I know that? I looked on my x-axis. My graph ends at 60 months. And if I look back up to the story problem from the beginning, it told me he was taking out the car loan for 60 months. And then I can just type in here, this was the starting amount of the loan. And he is paying $200 a month on the loan. So hopefully this will help you with some of your homework questions and with your quiz.